Hello guys, I'm the Golden Victor and today I'll talk about the ultimate OFF grid generator. I've done 2 previous videos on this amazing product, but today I want to focus on answering some of the questions you've been asking in the comments. The ultimate OFF grid generator works? The answer is yes, the ultimate OFF grid generator really works. I used this generator in several situations when I ran out of electricity, such as during a blackout or in camps. And every time it worked perfectly, providing enough power to charge my electronics and keep the lights on. The ultimate OFF grid generator is good? Yes, the ultimate OFF grid generator is a great product. It is easy to use, portable and quiet. Plus, its advanced technology ensures you have clean, renewable energy whenever you need it. The ultimate OFF grid generator worth it? I would say yes, the ultimate OFF grid generator is well worth it. It can be a bit of a high investment, but if you consider the fact that you no longer need to pay electricity bills or run out of power at critical times, it's well worth it. The ultimate OFF grid generator where to buy? The ultimate OFF grid generator is sold exclusively on the manufacturer's official website. I recommend that you buy only there to ensure that you are purchasing an original product and with warranty. The ultimate OFF grid generator, who is it for? The ultimate OFF grid generator is ideal for people who like to camp, live in regions with frequent power outages, or simply want to have an independent power source. It is easy to use and can be used by anyone regardless of their level of experience. The ultimate OFF grid generator works? Yes, the ultimate OFF grid generator works perfectly. It is capable of generating clean, renewable energy and can be used to power any electronic appliance you may need. Good guys, these were the answers to some of the questions you have been asking about the ultimate OFF grid generator. I hope I have helped clarify some doubts and show how this product is amazing. I personally have already saved a lot of money using this generator, and now I can invest in more important things. Do not forget that the official website of the manufacturer is in the description and the first fixed comment of the video. Until the next!